Okay, let us understand that. Previous class I tried to teach how to achieve multi-threading in Java. There what happened, that recording software Bandicam, it gives only 9 minutes, that's why it is lengthy class, so I was unable to cover that. So again I started to record word. See here, I have written this much code as a part 2. It is a part 2. Okay, we need I am going to remove this code because it is duplicated here. This is the class multi-threading in Java part 2. Total yeah. So at the last I was here, that moment Bandicam stopped, so I want to cover in part 2. Okay, here try to understand, we want to achieve multi-threading by extends keyword. Okay, extends keyword means extends keyword used in inheritance. Okay, inheritance means what? One parent class and one child class must be there. Here parent class is what? Thread class. That is the built-in class of Java, which will be available in language package. Okay, so now this thread class is your parent class, means super class, and hello class is the subclass. Subclass means child class. Now what happened? This child class means subclass will inherit all the attributes and methods of this thread class. Okay, so this thread class has so many methods, as I told you, that run method, start method, sleep method, join method, get id method, get name, so many methods are there. So for run method of this thread class, we have written run method. Now this run method overrides the override means cancel that method of the thread class. So within this code, whatever we have written, that will be executed. Okay, and the object will be created for this hello class. Okay, to access thread class run method. Okay, that is the story. So same thing I have done here. I have created a run method for hello class. Okay, that hello class run method will override the default method of thread class run method. So for loop I have written to 4 times to take a print out hello statement. After that, until this condition is satisfied, I is equal to 4 or less than equal to 4, so loop rotates and print statement will be printed out. Okay, so try and catch block, they are very compulsory, because these methods, sleep and join methods of thread class, they are static methods. So the static methods, they need to be accessed only by class name, not by the object. Okay, so what is our class name? Thread class name. Thread is what? Our parent class. So with the class name, the sleep method will be accessed, and they must be kept in try block. This is the rule. Okay, okay, in try block what happens? If there is chance of error means exception. Okay, if there is a chance of exception occurs, so that line of code to be kept in try block. Okay, and if it throws an exception, it raises an exception, means exception error, then catch block will handle that error, and whatever the code that is kept in catch block, that line of code will be executed. Means catch block handles that error, because after that next line of code will be executed, and there is no any interruption in the line of code execution. If there is no any try catch blocks, what happen? If suppose 16th line error is there, so compiler stops there, it will not go for further compilation and execution. That is the story. So next what I did here, the same hello, this line of code, because this line of code will be executed, this class hello will be executed by one thread. Okay, so next class hi class, same line of code I have written, this hi class will be executed by one more thread. Okay, 2 threads I have created, and come to the main class, and under the main method I have created the objects for the 2 classes. Hello class object is obj, hi class object obj1. Now By the help of these two objects, start method of thread class started. Now this start method implicitly means without fail calls this run method of your high class. So now the total two run methods will be executed. So let us see the code to be executed, then what will be the error, what will be the result. So error is here. Where is that error? First of all, you need to find out that where is that error. Here you come down here, this is hello hi extends hello statement, hi class hello extends thread. Okay, here is one, after thread na dot is there. Okay, no any dot is accepted. Next what? Okay, you do one thing, then after you put the brace here, there is no. Okay, next come still error is there. Okay, now come thread is okay, run method is okay. Error, why error here? It is indicating because try block this statement under try block. Okay, this brace you need to remove here. Okay, it is okay. Now come here also you need to remove this try, because no, this statement must be under try block. Okay, now let us try to execute. Okay, now it is being executed. See how different codes, hello hi hello hi hello hi. So means multiple threads being executed same time means what happened? This line of code, this class hello is being executed by one thread and second class being executed by another thread. So two cores functioning at a time, executing the threads, the parallel processing. So now it is happened. So suppose if you want to change, if you want to execute this multi-threading by, if you want to execute by runnable interface, little bit of changes you need to do. How much of time is now time is how much of time? Let us see. Where is that? Our bandicam is where? So it is going to be terminated. So no issue within 1 minute. If you want to achieve this, that is called what, your runnable interface, simply you change this code as implements. Okay, implements, and here you need to write the code as runnable interface. Runnable, this. Okay, runnable. Okay, implements, same you need to change this also. Implements, and then runnable. If it is not covered within this time, because bandicam it gives only. Okay, now then you need to come down here, you need to create that is two objects for the thread class. It is to be, we need to create the objects for the thread class. How? Thread, and then thread, then T1 is a T1. We need to create threads for thread class. Okay, T1. Now T1 is equal to new keyword again. Okay, and then